Okay, good morning to all of you, all my dear friends and audience. Today I am sitting in Saraswati Public Senior Secondary School, Jandwa, and my grandson Gaurav is making the video. He has crossed the age of 6 years. He is studying in the first class and he is very active students. Now today we are making the video on the present indefinite tense. You know about the present indefinite tense. What is the definition of present indefinite? Present indefinite tense is that which has the regularity, habituality, and some action which is being done in the present time is called the present indefinite tense. It also indicates that there is no definite work being done in present time, but it has the regularity. We can take one sentence like the Ram goes to school. It means Ram is regularly going to school. This sentence has the regularity. Sita cooks food. It means Sita is regularly cooking the food. I take the bath. It means I am taking the bath regularly. Such type of sentences indicate that present indefinite tense has the regularity. Now, I want to tell you some words which comes in the present indefinite tense. We can identify these sentences that when these words are used in the present in the sentence, this is called the present indefinite tense, such as usually, rarely, scarcely, seldom, today. These are the some more words, and when these come in the present in the sentence, this is called the present indefinite tense. You must know it. I can use it. I usually go to school. It means this is the present indefinite tense. I scarcely walk on the road. Because the scarcely word has been used in this sentence, it means it is a present indefinite tense. Now I want to tell you some rules about the present indefinite tense. First of all, the first form of the main verb, that is the present form, will be used in this present indefinite tense. When the subject is singular noun, such as she, he, Ram, Rahim, Sita, Krishna, these are the singular noun. Then the s or es will be used with the helping main verb. Now I want to tell you the present indefinite sentence, such as Ram goes to school. Ram is the singular noun, and go is the first form of the main verb. When the subject is the singular noun, then s or es has been used with the main verb. Likewise, I want to make the negative sentence. He does not go to school. He does not go to school means the do and does will be used as a helping verb in the present indefinite tense when the sentence is negative. And in affirmative sentence, s or es are used in with the main verb. Instead of using the main verb with the main verb s or es, if the sentence is negative or interrogative, then s or es will be used with the do, such as we can say does. Secondly, when the sentence is interrogative sentence, then the do or does will be used before the subject, such as do I play football? does he write a letter? And there will be the interrogative sentence at the end of the sentence. And does he play football? He is the first person, he is the singular noun, and he is also subject, and it is the interrogative sentence. Does has been used before the subject, and there is interrogative sentence at the end of the sentence. It means it is a present indefinite tense, but it is the interrogative sentence. You can make the 6 sentences of one sentence of present indefinite tense. Just I tell you, I play football, I do not play football, do I play football, do I not play football, why do I play football, and why do I not play football. If you make the 6 sentences, then automatically all the types of the sentences you will learn it, or learn these sentences. Now, I want to tell you some important things in this present indefinite tense. As when you get the time, you must use the sentences of the present indefinite tense in your daily life. Now this, you can say, what do you want? What do you want to write? You must create the question in your mind. When you will create the question in your mind, then automatically you will learn how to speak English, how to write English, how to understand English, how to read English, and you will also learn the pronunciation, and you must have the vocabulary. I will tell you another 6 sentences of the present indefinite tense. You